Hi everybody, this is Dr. Matt, your upstate South Carolina chiropractor, Premier Chiropractic Solutions. I'm here with Dr. Johnson with Advanced Chiropractic Relief, and we've been learning about the ring dinger all week long and the Johnson technique. So this is day 3, so I'm gonna give Dr. Johnson his morning ring dinger.
There you go.
All right,
I'm ready.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, bounce my legs again. I'm probably my worst patient, huh?
Probably. How's that? Tighten up?
Nope.
One more.
One more.
Every time. There we go. Alright, just relax, keep your mouth closed and breathe through your nose. There you go.
Oh, yeah. Good job.
Feel that one?
Of course I did. That was perfect. See, I feel the blood flowing down in my feet right now.
You probably can feel it flowing up to your head too.
Yeah, a little bit.
After this you will.
Good job.
There you go.
Oh my God.
Alright.
Oh.
Leg checks here. I've got left short just a little bit.
It tightens up a little bit more this morning.
Okay. And then even up.
Yep.
I lift them up. Lift your right leg, keep it straight. Okay, left leg. Alright. One of those feel hard than the
The
other?
left one did, yeah.
Okay, yep. So he's got that.
I got a little cramp right now in my lower thoracic check there, yeah.
Sacral subluxation with the left ilium there.
Yep.
So we're gonna get some motion back into those joints.
Drop this piece out.
Oh yeah, there you go. Start out the lumbars here. Just relax. Lower this down a little bit so I can put my weight into it.
Oh yeah. Feel that one?
Mm-hmm. Just relax. Keep breathing. Yep. There you go. Start working on the cervical spine here. This is one of those areas when you're a chiropractor, this thoracic spine and that neck starts to kind of bend forward a little bit. There you go.
Yep.
Alright, flip over for me.
Okay.
So it's really important to get adjusted when you're a chiropractor, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Arms out. There you go. Alright. See if I can do this without knocking the table over.
Yep. Oh yeah.
Awesome. Let's do that. Let's check your posture here, see how that looks. Pretty good, yeah, forward and back.
It's like full range of motion to me.
Okay, tip your head forward here, bounce these spindles. All right, there you go, arms back. Yep, okay. Over here. Good.
Here we go.
How's that feel, Dr. J?
Feels great.
Feel like a new man?
Yes,
huh?
sir. Look
Awesome.
like one too, huh?
Yeah, that's right.
62 years young.
Yeah.
You know, this is considered postgraduate education. I'm going to California tomorrow to be at my mentor seminar, Dr. Dan Murphy out in California, and Tristan and Jeremy are meeting me out there. And we're going to attend a seminar this weekend at Life West Chiropractic College known as Subluxation Neurology. So I go to postgraduate education. These guys are going to postgraduate education. You should make sure that your chiropractor is staying up on all the latest techniques and scientific.
The greatest
That's
techniques.
right. Yep. And scientific information too. I mean, I get my science from people like Dr. Dan Murphy, but then applying that science into a day-to-day practical environment is super important.
It is,
and that's
yeah.
what we've been doing here this
That's
week.
exactly right. Yep, it's been amazing.
Yep. So this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and this is
Dr. Matthew Tuttle, Premier Chiropractic Solutions, South Carolina. Thank you, Dr.
Yeah,
J.
you're welcome. So you can find a hyperlink to, or a link, I always say hyperlink, I'm old school, to his YouTube channel and also his website, so
Yeah.
you can schedule an appointment with Dr. Matt anytime you want to get a ring
right.
dinger up in the South Carolina
That's right,
East
yep.
Coast area.
Yep.
We'll see y'all soon.